O Aqsa, we will return one day. Return to our homes we abandoned away. Return to where our hearts belong. Return to our roots strong. Here are our ancestors, our prophets' memories, the land enriched with our profound treasuries. You are one of the holiest sanctuaries, our place of worship for centuries. Your foundation was laid by the prophets, for whom our hearts have regards honest. You hold prominence for being first Qibla. So many blessings you have by Almighty Allah. To you, Muhammad travelled on journey of Isra. Then on Miraj, he was gifted with Salah. O Aqsa, you shine with glories. Entwined in you are holy stories. Time and again you were thrashed wrongly. Who will pay for this oppression and tyranny? On hands of Romans we lost your grip, who then served you as a rubbish tip. Umar liberated the city with his leadership. He then himself cleaned you for worship. You then saw bloodshed by the Crusaders, who were the cruelest of the invaders. They made the promises greater, but massacred thousands being the haters. Then came the man from Kurdish dynasty, who was the great Salahuddin Ayyubi. He fought the Crusaders with bravery and conquered the mosque and the city. Like Umar, he cleaned the mosque with his hands. Like him, no massacre he did command. With centuries to follow, you became the knowledge land. The favors you served for mankind were grand. Ottoman Caliphate showered you with dignity. Then came the gloomy 20th century. When British backed the Zionist spree, but Muslim control on Haram, they did agree. Then Transjordan took over the custodianship, but UN gave majority of the land in Jewish grip. How many laws they had to skip just to give Jews the flagship. Then took place the Arab-Israel war. Jerusalem captured and shook to the core. Al-Aqsa was handed back and forth, rolled off among Jewish and Muslim control. This land of sacred suffered scars, chapters covered with blood so far. To this day, you remain a conflict. Prayer days and times face restricts. You are enfolded in laws strict, just to get the world tricked. O Aqsa, we will return to you one day. To stand in your compounds to freely pray. Return to our homes we abandoned away. This time we will forever stay. O Aqsa, we will return one day. O Aqsa, we will return one day.